What's up, YouTube? Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today we're talking about a very exciting thing, and that is that GoodLock is finally global. You guys have been asking me about this for a while. When GoodLock would roll out to all regions as Samsung promised. Well, that has finally happened. So we finally have a bit of good news after the One UI 7 rollout was paused. Now we have a little bit of good news for you guys today. I'm going to talk about that, where you can download it, and also my 5 favorite modules. We cover GoodLock a lot here, but I'm going to tell you guys my favorite ones. If you've never used it before, now that it's finally going global, you're going to start using it. I'll give you guys a list of what I really enjoy. If you guys want to grab today's wallpaper, this is from the One UI 8 wallpaper pack from our writer Josh at Sammy Guru. Also, make sure to check out the website, sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. At the top, you can get in our mystery box program. If you're going to order the S25 Edge, Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. Just tap this, put in your phone number, your email, or both. This is US only due to the shipping cost associated with it, but we love doing this for our readers and viewers. So anyway, Samsung promised around the time One UI 7 went stable that we would see a global rollout of GoodLock, and now we've finally seen that. It's available on the Google Play Store as well as in the Galaxy Store for numerous new regions. So if you live in a region where it was previously unsupported, you may be able to now go and download it. For those of you who don't know, GoodLock is Samsung's suite of customization apps that allows you to not only customize the look of your device, but also how it performs, the settings, various triggers. You can change back tap actions, a million different things. And this is now global. So you can grab it from the Play Store. Keep in mind, if you do try to grab it from the Play Store, if you already have it installed on your device, it may not show up. But if you tap the link from our article, you'll see it and it'll just say the app installed on your device didn't come from Google Play. That just means you already installed it from the Galaxy Store and you have to go there to update it. Now, if you want to get updates from the Play Store, what you can do is uninstall GoodLock from the Galaxy Store. You can do that and then reinstall from the Play Store. I wouldn't do that though if you already have modules. You can just update it from the Galaxy Store. Keep doing that. We also have the Galaxy Store link here. That'll take you directly to the Galaxy Store. Latest version 3.0.11.2 was released on April 10th, which brings this to the global rollout of GoodLock. Now, like I said, I wanted to give you guys my 5 favorites. If you never use GoodLock, we have tons of coverage both on Sammy Guru at the website and on my personal channel here. For years, I've been covering GoodLock and what it brings to Samsung phones, because it's really one of the most unique things that you get with a Samsung device. Samsung spends all this development time developing these modules that give you powerful capability. So we'll run through my 5 favorite modules. The first one being Theme Park. Theme Park is a module that lets you edit your icon packs, basically customize your keyboard, your quick panel, your volume panel. There's other apps that also do these individual things, which I'm going to talk about a couple of them. The main thing I use Theme Park for is customizing my icon pack. What you can do with this is not only create your own icons using these various shapes and filters. If you have icon packs installed, you can download third-party icon packs either from the Galaxy Store or the Play Store. Some of my favorite ones come from my buddy Vuk Andrik at 14 Studio. So if you search 14 Studio in the Play Store, you'll find some of their great icon packs like the Aries icon pack, which you can then install, and then you'll be able to apply that inside Theme Park. As a standalone module, once you install it, and you see there, once the third-party icon pack is installed, it will appear inside Theme Park, and you'll be able to install it there. So let's go back now to GoodLock and take a look at the next module on my list. The next module, which I use absolutely all the time, is Home Up. It was completely revamped for One UI 7 as well. So once you get One UI 7, you'll love this. You can customize all of your personalized gesture settings using home gesture animation tuning. We have a full video on how to customize these advanced tuning settings. In addition to that, you can do crazy things like the new do-it-yourself home editing. If you turn this on, you can change your height, your home screen to move your widgets, your icons, any angle, any size. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff. It's all part of the DIY home setting there, which you'll find on the home screen. Now, you don't have to leave this here forever. You can turn it off. Things go back to your regular home screen, but it is a lot of fun to play with. And if you have a friend who has an iPhone, it'll absolutely blow their mind to show them something like this. What you can do with Home Up is just unlimited, and I have tons of videos that I'll link below in a playlist so you guys can check those out. The next thing that I utilize quite a lot from the customization side here is One Hand Operation Plus. Now, One Hand Operation Plus allows you to customize 2 handles on the left and right that let you trigger certain actions based on a long swipe or short swipe. Now, while I keep most of my short swipes to the default gestures, I do have widgets pop up, AI select, and my favorite application, which is X/Twitter, has the diagonal down. So what I can do is when I go full straight right, I get my widgets pop up where I have various widgets. Diagonal down, it opens X in a pop-up window for me, and diagonal up will generate AI Select or Smart Select, as we used to call it. I can circle anything on the screen and get various information, create a GIF, trim it, share it to social media, etc. One-hand operation plus is very powerful, and again, I've made quite a few videos on this, so I'll link it below if you want to find out more about this powerful GoodLock tool. Up next on my list, let's switch to the other side of GoodLock. This is the makeup side, which is customizing the look. Now, LifeUp allows you to customize a lot of your various pieces of, the functionality, and I talked about One-Hand Operation Plus, but another one I want to talk about, which is very important, is Camera Assistant and Registar. Camera Assistant lets you edit various things with inside your camera application. Once you install it, it's actually found inside the camera settings by going to the camera app, going to the camera settings, and scrolling to the bottom where you can find Camera Assistant right here below vibration feedback. So you can access it within the camera settings once you install it in GoodLock. You can change things like, for instance, auto lens switching, I always turn this off. Auto HDR, sometimes if in certain situations I want to turn that off, I can do that. Quick tap shutter, prioritize focus over speed. Make sure you get clearer photos. Video recording in photo mode, HDR10 plus, audio monitoring if you use this for creating content like I do. And you can also turn dim screen while recording off, again, if you use it for content creation. Lots of cool camera things and add-ons to the camera settings inside Camera Assistant. It's a module that I highly recommend. Finally, Registar, again, picking 5 modules is really tough. I picked my top 10 most used featured and kind of see where those live. And this is kind of where they live for me. I'll mention one bonus one at the end. Registar allows you to edit not only the order of your settings in the default settings view, but also customize custom actions based on tapping the back of your phone. You can do a double tap or a triple tap. I have it set to take a screenshot when I triple tap the back of my phone. Of course, it tends to not work behind the camera. There you go. You guys can see there. It takes a screenshot and brings up the share menu for me when I do the triple tap. It's a little hard to do behind the camera, but it's very cool. The other thing you can do in here, as I mentioned, is get your settings change history and customize your settings menu. So if you don't use certain settings very often, you don't like the default settings, you can move stuff to the top that you use the most often, which is something that I find to be absolutely fantastic. As an honorable mention here, I'll mention Sound Assistant, which allows you to customize a lot of things about the sound profile on your device. Sound Assistant I also use pretty much all the time. And if you notice, there's a lot of weird filters up here. These extensions are basically telling you ones that can be standalone on their own with, you don't have to go to the GoodLock menu. Sound Assistant lets you customize not only the look of your volume panel, you guys see I have the Flex UI panel here, which you can customize inside of here, but also it lets you change the step volume. Your default is to go up or down by 10 units at a time. I changed that to 5 units so that when I change my volume, it only goes up by 5 units instead of by 10. That, in addition to maintain media volume when using navigation, make sure that my media volume in the car doesn't go down when I'm using Google Maps for navigation directions. That's a fantastic feature as well, and something I highly recommend. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. My top 5 favorite GoodLock modules with one bonus. It's now global. Check out our article. You can download it from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. Let me know which region you're in. If for some reason it's not available in your region, we'd love to cover that as well to make sure Samsung really delivers on their promise. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.